everyone, welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about one of the biggest mysteries in the history of India, and that is about the Indus Valley Civilization script or the Harappan Civilization script. So the deciphering of the Harappan Civilization or the IVC script is in news, and one of the topic or one of the mysteries that has not been resolved till now, and other civilization scripts has been deciphered, but it is one of the most difficult parts to decipher the Indus Valley Civilization script. So let us first of all talk about the points of discussion. First we will be looking at the news, then why deciphering the script is important of the IVC, and then what are the challenges in the deciphering of the Indus Valley Civilization script, what are the global collaboration and why is the global collaboration important in it, and in the end a prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from general studies paper 1, that is ancient history, can be asked as the question from the Indus Valley Civilization has been asked many a times. So the news talks about why is deciphering the Indus script important. Now what are the reasons for deciphering the script and why do people want to decipher the script? As we move forward, Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the admissions in English medium are open for the IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains in offline batches, and the Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January, and in the English medium batch the admissions are open. For any query, give us a call at 87501 87501. Now let's begin. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has announced a $1 million prize money for any expert or any person or any scientist who will be able to decipher the Indus Valley Civilization script. So if the person will succeed, then the $1 million prize will be given to the person. And if we talk about the Indus Valley Civilization, so Indus Valley Civilization is also known as the Harappan Civilization, and the urban IVC was flourished between the time period of 2600 to 1900 BCE, and after that the downfall of the IVC began. Now spanning part, so the IVC was, as of now, if we talk about the present geography, then the Indus Valley Civilization spanned around the present day of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And despite its significance as one of the world's earliest urban cultures, but the Indus script has remained undeciphered, even though the other civilization scripts have been deciphered, like for example Mesopotamian, but Indus script has not been deciphered till now. And by not deciphering the script of Indus Valley Civilization, it has limited our understanding of its social, political and cultural dynamics. But if the deciphering of the script will take place, then the overall understanding of that period of time and how that period worked and what are the different aspects of it, how was the society at that period of time, even though many things have been studied and the historians have studied so much that many things as of now we know, but if the deciphering of the script will take place, then many new dimensions will open. Now, why deciphering the Indus script is important? Why do we need to decipher it? So first of all, about knowing about the social, economic and political life of that period of time, then understanding the Harappan culture. So to overall understand the culture of the Harappan civilization, deciphering of the script would be important, and this will provide the comprehensive picture of Harappan society and how the governance of that society took place. And as the Egyptian script or the Mesopotamian scripts, they have already been decoded, but the Indus script remains a mystery script till now. Second is the cultural and linguistic connections. So if the deciphering of the Indus Valley Civilization script will take place, then this will suggest the cultural continuity between the IVC and the South India. So the South India and the Indus Valley Civilization connecting link can be figured out. And the survival of Baruhi, a Dravidian language, and Dravidian loan words in the Rig Veda points to linguistic connection between the IVC and the South Indian. Then potential historical insights. Insights into trade networks, religious practices and societal hierarchies. So the connection between, be it culture, be it social, be it political, be it economic, so every aspects and every connecting link will come out if the script will be deciphered. Now challenges in deciphering the script. Now basically if we talk about then the script of the Indus Valley civilization, let me show you the image. So the first image, look at this image. So now the problem with the Indus script is that Indus script, first of all, it is made up of symbols, pictures, but understanding of these symbols has become very, very difficult. Now the problem is that it is not that one symbol represents only one thing. Different symbols are talking about one thing. Now, like for example, if I tell you, like for example, take the symbol of a fish. So at one point of time, the symbol of fish represents something, and in the second point of time, the same symbol of fish will represent something else. Now this has become a very big challenge with regard to the deciphering the Indus script, that if the symbols or the pictures which are present, they are not talking about or they are not depicting the same thing, then how the connection can be made? Now this is one of the most difficult part with regard to the deciphering of the Indus script. So the challenges being lack of bilingual text. Unlike the Egyptian or the Mesopotamian scripts, no bilingual inscriptions have been found to aid the decoding of the Indus script. Second is the limited data. So average length of 4 to 5 symbols makes the pattern recognition very, very difficult, and also the single symbol or single pattern giving different results. Then absence of a contextual framework. Without understanding the cultural or linguistic context, linking the symbols to their meanings is becoming very difficult for the historians. Now what are the recent initiatives and global collaboration? So the international conferences. So it is not that only the people in India are trying to decipher it, but all over the globe people are trying to decipher the most mysterious question in the history, in the Indian history. And technological approaches like the advanced techniques like the artificial intelligence driven pattern recognition and computational linguistics are also being explored. It might be possible that in the coming time the AI driven initiatives might make it possible to decipher the IVC script. So this was it about the news, and in the end a prelims MCQ, and it is a PYQ of the year 2013, and like always you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, which of the following characteristics the people of the Indus Valley civilization has? They possessed great palaces and temples. They worshipped both male and female deities. Third, they employed horse-drawn chariots in warfare. Select the correct statement using the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 only, 1, 2 and 3, or none of the above. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.